Hi, this is Arthur. Do you want to learn how to produce programs in Advanced Virtual Studio? GCIT offers the new Media Practicum course that collaborates with industry experts to produce a program focused on technological innovation and media industry development. Students will learn the skills of virtual production and work in the new media studio at NCCU that creates TV AR content and integrate virtual avatar. Throughout the semester, you'll master the full production workflow, from real-time compositing to on-camera interviews. You will also utilize advanced tools like virtual camera motion, AR camera tracking, and interactive presentations. You will learn how to integrate AI technology for content creation and then produce innovative programs with teammates. The course objective is for you to make a professional video program with advanced technologies. As a core part of the GCIT Media program, this serves as a substantial portfolio piece that proves your technical and storytelling skills in a virtual setting. Ready to turn your ideas into a professional production? To grab the great opportunity to sign up. I'll see you in the studio this spring.
Master's Program in Global Communication and Innovation Technology, NCCU.